So that's the final class of the course, not only of the third module, but of the entire course. We don't have theory here. We're going to look at a complete example from start to finish. We're going to take a chart, more than one. I'm planning two, but I'm keeping a third one reserved, set apart, in case there is time for more than one example. And maybe if the students want to, we can do another session with this example or other example. But the idea is to do to a chart of a famous person exactly what we would do if this person was a client. From the very beginning, calculating Arabian parts and fixed starts, calculating the temperament, the manners, the wheat, checking the prenatal eclipse, doing an assessment of the houses, depending on the person, comparing to another person's chart, then selecting some events in the life and judging them and finding them in the techniques that we've seen. Do it, of course, there is a difference between a real client and an example like that, because in a real client, most of the time you don't know the events. And here, by definition, we know the events. Even if I withhold the name of the person, I know the events, so I know what we are looking for. This will be partially, this problem will be partially solved in more than one exercise during the course, but not in the class. But that's the closest thing we can do when we have the knowledge of the person to a real thing. We're going to get this chart and try to assess it and investigate it as if it were a client's chart. And that's the end of the course. I hope you are interested in doing it. If you are, contact me. The course will begin on this Friday, so do it as soon as you can. That's all for now. Thank you.